For using the nathelper module, we need to configure the files in config tools nathelper. The first file is db.ing.php. Here we have parameters which establish the database host, which is localhost, the database port, which is left empty, the database connection user, which is root, and the database connection password, which we leave empty because we have no password for the root user in this case, and the database name, which is opensips. Let's now take a look at local.ing.php. This file has parameters for establishing the results per page, which are going to be displayed, and this is 10. It has a parameter for the database table, which is nh_sockets. Another one that establishes the type of machines which are opensips servers, and it is talked to this ASOC ID. And the last one, which is the proxy list, which contains an array with a list of IP addresses and ports to be recognized as proxies. You must provide at least one. We're going to save this file too and switch to the browser. Here we have the nathelper module, which has 3 tabs: the DB list, the cache list, and the natping. The DB list is the one that allows us to operate on the database. You can see here a search button for searching a certain record in the database, show all, which shows the content of the database, delete a certain proxy, and add a new proxy. And you have also here buttons for editing and deleting the proxies. The cache list tab is used to display all the RTP proxies and their information, like socket name, set ID, index, status, weight, and recheck ticks. The status can be controlled, meaning we can enable it or disable it. There's also a button for refreshing the RTP proxy. And the following tab is the natping. This tab has 2 buttons, one for enabling natping and the other one for disabling natping.